Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invert a photo on the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want to invert a photo, or basically change how it's flipped, what you're going to do is select the photo that you want to invert. So here I have this photo in my gallery, and let's invert it. So to do that, what we're going to do is press on these three bars on the bottom to start editing our photo. And then I'm going to press on crop. And here in the crop section, you have these two buttons on the top left, which basically allow you to flip the photo. And this button right here is the invert button. So let's tap on it. And here you can see the photo has been inverted. Now the arrow is on the left instead of being on the right. And that is pretty much it. Once you've inverted your photo, you just press done, and this will save your options, and now the photo is inverted. And if you want to cancel, remove all of the edits that you've added to your photo, you can just go back into edit mode and press revert to the original state of the photo. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.